Assalamu alaikum students, can you hear me? Assalamu alaikum students, can you hear me now? Okay.
Assalamu alaikum. How are you all, beta? Can you hear me clearly? Okay. Alhamdulillah. Okay, beta. Uh, Today we are going to discuss our chapter again, land and climate. But I'm fine. Alhamdulillah, Zemel. Uh, Hope you all will be fine. And today we are going to discuss our chapter land and climate. But today we are going to discuss some different things. Is it clear? So, first of all, okay, very good, Abdurrahman. Alhamdulillah. So, first of all, we are going to discuss, as I told you, land and climate. But the topic of land and climate is you can imagine, like, suppose we are going to discuss the topic importance of the location of Pakistan. Is it clear? Importance of the location of Pakistan. So look at that topic, turn on your cameras, and I told you in my previous class that might be possible. I have given you column matching in the exams. Is it clear? So I have given you the column matching in the exams in your final online exams. So what will be the way to solve or to resolve or to match the columns? So in this lecture we are actually going to practice the column matchings. Is it clear? So first of all, better turn on your cameras. Again and again I'm saying you, turn on your cameras. You have to turn on your cameras, beta, without saying a single word from my side. You all know that you have to turn on your cameras, otherwise I will put you in the waiting room, and so this is not good, this will not be good. So it is very necessary to attend this lecture as well. And first of all, some important things which I want to tell you, and which I noticed in the previous mock test, and in my previous class I also mentioned these important things. But once again I want to tell you these things because today is your mock day. Is it clear? So today I'm going to give you the three, actually three forms. Is it clear? So there will be three forms. First form will be having 6 or 7 minutes. Is it clear? So 6 to 8 minutes, I think. Then you have to attempt the first form in 6 to 8 minutes. And in these specific minutes, first of all, you have to learn, you have to read your instructions very carefully. If you will not follow the instructions, beta, then you will not attempt your mock as well as your final term paper properly, and it will not be good for you because the form will be restricted on the given time, on the specific time. And when you if you will say that open the form or allow us again to attempt the form, that will not be happened. So please be focused towards your mock exams. And as I told you and I informed you in my previous class, that this is not a joke, beta. In first mock, I noticed, and the management of school also noticed, that you some of the students have um, um, thought that this is a joke like mock, and they were commenting on the mainstream, and they said that, miss, for God's sake, upload the form. But this is not the way. This is not the way to connect with our teacher. You have to obey your teacher, you have to respect your teacher, and you have to respect the decorum of your class. You are in the class, you were in the class. So everyone was looking, and everyone was observing your comments on the classroom. And when we will schedule our mock test, our quizzes, our MTs, and we all know about the specific time of uploading the mock and quizzes and MTs, anything else. So we are responsible for uploading the mock test, and you are just responsible to attempt these mocks very attentively. So this is not your headache or not your problem, that why the mock is not uploading. Might be possible there will be some technical issues, there might be some technical issues, but in your case, in your class, the mock was uploaded on time. So please admit all these my instructions. Please consider my instructions, and be focused and be patient. On a specific time, I will upload your today's mock, inshallah. So be focused towards your test. So as I told you in yesterday, on yesterday in Google Classroom, and I uploaded the homework and told you the specific pages of your today's mock. So be careful, and if you will get any time, then read carefully. I said you again, I'm saying you again, read carefully every line, each and every line of your specific pages. Is it clear? So these pages are 51 to 61 are most important pages. Is it clear? Because I told you in my previous classes that I have given you the three forms, sorry, the four forms in the annual online exams. First form will be will be having MCQs, and second form will be having the true false. MCQs and true false are from both of the chapters. Is it clear? So these two forms are both of the chapters. These are the mixed, there will be the mixed MCQs and mixed from the both chapters and the true false as well. But when I talk about the column matching, and then the fourth form, then it is very necessary to learn that you learn the specific pages of physical features of Pakistan and the climate of Pakistan. Is it clear? These two topics are most important topics, and most of your questions in the form 3 and form 4 are from these topics. Specifically fourth form, which will be having three sections. Listen me carefully. Third form will be having column matching, and fourth form will be having three sections: section A, B, and C. And these sections are from your topics: physical features of Pakistan and climate of Pakistan. Is it clear? So for example, your first form and your first section of fourth form will be having the question: identification of plains and plateaus. Is it clear? Identification of plains and plateaus. of Pakistan. So I will give you the specific sentence and some and in this specific sentence I will give you some hints. Is it clear? And you have to give the correct answer, and the correct answer will be in the shape of MCQs. Is it clear? Multiple choice answers will be there, and you have to, and very close answers. Remember, these answers will be very closed answers, so you have to give the time, you have to take time, you have to read the specific sentence very carefully, you have to read the specific options very carefully, and think over, you have to think over these sentences, and then you have to click the right answer. Is it clear? Same like that, in the form 4 section B, I will give you the question identify or identification of the deserts, and I think what is this first, in the fourth form, first section will be the identification of mountains and plateaus of the Pakistan, and second part means in the fourth form, and B section will be the identification of plains and deserts of the Pakistan, and in the fourth form, in section C, I have given you the question identification of the climate of Pakistan. Is it clear? Raise your hands if you have any type of confusion regarding your um, exams, regarding your final paper, then you can ask me the question. Yes.
मिस ये जो आपने फॉर्म 1 फॉर्म 2 और फॉर्म 3 का बताया, तो ये फाइनल टर्म के लिए बताया या मॉक के लिए बताया?
Beta, I told you about the final term exams, and I told you that there will be four forms. First form will be consisted on the MCQ. Second form from true false related to true false. Third form will be having column matching, and fourth form will be having the identification of the different physical features of Pakistan and climate of Pakistan as well. Is it clear, Abdur Rahman? There will be four forms.
नहीं मतलब टोटल,
Beta,
मैं टोटल यानी ऑब्जेक्टिव है, सब्जेक्टिव तो नहीं है।
obviously, beta, everything will be objective. How it can be possible that you can type? It will be very messy, कि ये तो बहुत मेस क्रिएट हो जाएगा अगर आप सब जो हैं वो टाइप करने लगेंगे, तो सबके अपने अपने टाइप के क्वेश्चंस होंगे, आंसर्स होंगे, और उसमें पंक्चुएशंस की प्रॉब्लम, एनीथिंग.
जी
You
जी।
have to attempt the all the papers in objective type papers. Is it clear? We are uploading
ओके मैम।
all
जी
the
जी।
objective type papers. Anyone else, beta? Yes, Maida. Okay, any other question? Okay, your in your final terms paper, your fourth form was will be very important form. Is it clear? All the forms, no doubt, all the forms will be very important, but the fourth form is important in the sense that you have to read very carefully the options, the question, but you have to learn all these pages very carefully. Today's form, now I am talking about today's form. Is it clear? Today's your mock 2 will be uploaded and today at I think 1 o'clock, and I have given you three forms. First form having MCQs, second form having true false, and the third form having column matching. Is it clear? So in this case, you can practice the column matching, and you can easily understand how the column matching will be solved, or how you can match the columns in the online paper. Is it clear? So this will be your practice of column matching, especially today. And I told you the specific pages. So today's mock will be from the pages of page number 51 till 56. Is it clear? So now if you have any question, then you can ask me the question about your mock, about your final term paper, anything else. Then if you have any question, I will ask you the question, I will give you the answer, and then after that we will practice the column matching on in this lecture. And on your screens you can see some specific identifications, and you have to match the actual identification with the other. Is it clear? But these identification
मिस
are
नंबर
not,
चौथा अपना
but the
मिस नंबर चौथा आपने आइडेंटिफाई द फॉलोइंग बताया ना।
beta
आपने
Abdul
नंबर
Rahman,
चौथा
are you
फॉर्म जो है आइडेंटिफाई द फॉलोइंग बताया या
No, beta, why are you not listening carefully? Beta, I told you third form in annual exam will be from about the column matching, and fourth form will be about the identification of different physical features of Pakistan and climate of Pakistan. And the fourth form will be in three sections: section A, B, and C. Is it clear? So you have to read all these instructions which will be given at the top of your specific form. If you will not follow the instructions, then you will not attempt your paper exactly, or you will not get the good grades in your exams. Is it clear? Only beta Abdur Rahman is turning on his camera, no one is turning on camera. So one by one I will put you in the waiting room. So turn on your cameras, beta. Okay, good. Turn on your cameras. Well done, Maida. Very good. Beta, all of you turn on your cameras. Tayyab, Zimil, Rumesa, Hamza. Just four students are turning on their cameras. Okay. Yes, Abdurrahman, very good. You are, beta, if you have any type of query, if you have any type of question, then you can ask me the question. As I told you, yes, Ishal, Maida, very good. Today's your MOOC will be from page number 51 till 56, sorry, 61. But now I'm going to give you a practice from the page 50. Is it clear? 50 and page 51. Page 50 and 51. Okay. And as I told you that our chapter name is Land and Climate of Pakistan, and page number 50 and 51. Okay, you can see, close your books, beta. And this is not your exam as well, but I just want to tell you the some. I put some important information which might be possible. It will be in the paper in the shape of any other thing, like the MCQs, like any true false. But here I'm going to tell you the about the column matching. Is it clear? Okay. So better turn on your cameras. Okay. So as I told you about your, and Abdurrahman asked me the question about the annual exam, that how many forms will be there. So as I told you that there will be four forms. First form having MCQs, second form having true false from both chapters, third form having column matching, and the column matching I think will be a new thing for you in attempting the online question or online paper. So in today's mock I have given you column matching. Is it clear? The column matching, the process of matching the column in online paper will be a little bit different, but I want to tell you that this type of questions will be there in the column matching. Is it clear? Okay. Okay, beta, turn on your cameras and close your books, beta. And I think that it will be good if you will uh, write down these important points or these column matchings in your copies or on your loose sheets. Very good, Maida. I can see your copy. Well done, beta. You have copied down all the important things, all the information or identification in your copy. Very good. Okay. First of all, you can see, and beta, tell me, raise your hands and I will ask you the answer. Okay. First is ancient civilization. Is it clear? Ancient civilization. Yes, Abdurrahman.
मिस ये जो आपने ये इसके सामने वाला लिखा है तो ये आंसर तो नहीं है ना जो आपने सामने सामने लिखे हैं।
Sorry,
मिस
what are you
मतलब
saying?
जैसे एंशियंट सिविलाइजेशन है तो उसके सामने जैसे गांधरा
Beta, this
लिखा
is
हुआ है
not.
तो गांधरा तो नहीं होगा इसका
Beta, you have to give me the answer just.
राइट आंसर।
You are not allowed to correct me. Please give me the answer. If you have the answer, then give me the answer. Ancient
मिस खान।
civilization. Hurry up, beta. Okay, anyone else? Okay, Mariam, turn on your mic. Yes, Mariam. Tell me the answer. Yes.
Miss
Yes, beta.
Wakhan.
Ancient civilization is Bakan. No, beta. Anyone else, beta?
मिस गंडारा।
Okay. When I ask you, then you have to turn on your mic. Okay. Ancient civilization is Gandhara. Is it clear? Ancient civilization is Gandhara. Okay. Next one is in west of China, which is in west of China. Which location is in west of China? Beta, raise your hands. I will not open the chat box and I will not read the answers from your chat box. Raise your hands. I think 14 students are in the class and just one hand is raising. Okay, Sania. Give me the answer, beta. Yes, Sania. Tell
Yes,
me,
Miss. Which one?
beta, second one. I asked you west of China. In west of China, in your opinion, which location is there in the west of China?
Iran.
No. In the west of China.
Miss Iran.
No, beta.
Iran.
You
Miss India.
are, beta, you are going to learn the topic importance of location of Pakistan. So how is it possible that in the west of China there will be Iran? Where is Pakistan here? You have to tell the location of Pakistan. The according to the location of Pakistan in the west of China. Read very carefully the second column. Read very carefully the
Miss
second column.
India.
Beta, in the west of China, there,
Karachi.
no, there will be a narrow strip of Wakhan. In the west of China, there is a narrow strip of Wakhan. And in ancient civilization, I have given you only Gandhara, but might be possible the option will be changed and there will be the Indus Valley civilization. So, ancient civilization, there are two civilizations, Gandhara and ancient and Indus Valley civilization as well. Is it clear? So, ancient civilization Gandhara, west of China, in the west of China, there is a narrow strip, Bakhan. Is it clear? And it is also called tongue of Bakhan, and it separates the Afghanistan border from Pakistan's border at the place of Tajikistan. So better learn these important things very carefully. It will be impossible to attempt you the column matching if you will not learn the specific pages carefully. And I told you that in your annual, in your final term paper and in your today's mock as well, the most important topics are page from page number 51 to 61. So learn each and every line very carefully. So now tell me what is the location in the south of Pakistan? Which location is in the south of Pakistan? Raise your hands, beta, hurry up. Which location is in the south of Pakistan? Yes, Tayyab. Yes, Tayyab, beta. Tell me.
Arabian Sea.
Very good, very good. Arabian Sea is in the west of Pakistan. Is it clear? Arabian Sea in the west of is in the west of, south of south of Pakistan. Is it clear? So which location is situated in the east of Pakistan? Raise your hands, beta. Which location is in the east of Pakistan? Yes, only four hands are raising, beta. Hamza Mujtaba, beta. Tell me. Okay, Sania.
Miss India.
Yes, well done. Well done. In the East Pakistan, India is situated in the East Pakistan. Very good. And in the southwest of Pakistan, no, it will be very easy for all of you.
Miss Iran.
Very good. Okay. So, very good. So, in the southwest of Pakistan, there is Iran. Is it clear? So, international harbor, all you know about the international harbor.
Karachi.
Very good. Karachi. So, beta, this is the important. This is not important that, as Abdul Rahman said, that the ancient civilization and Gandhara are parallel in the column matching. This is not important, beta. Important thing is that you have to learn in this manner. You have to learn the column about the column matching in this manner. You have to underline all important things. You have to underline all important points, all important locations, as well as all the heights of the mountains, and all type of the different rivers, which where these rivers are generating, and where these rivers are flowing. Like these things, you can imagine that these type of the important things will be in your column matching, and especially in your final terms paper, especially in the form 4. As I told you that in final paper your form 4 will be in the three parts, in the three sections: section A, section B, and section C. And in all these sections you have to identify the different locations, different locations, different locations of mountains, plains, plateaus. So be careful, be careful. And I'm happy that you all have participated in this activity, but beside this, I'm upset as well, because some of you are not learning um, carefully all these things, and you are not ready for your exams, I think, till now. Please learn carefully the important points. And many times I explained you the this topic, the importance of location of Pakistan, in your physical classes, in your virtual classes. And every time I told you that right at the top of that page, specific page, very very important. So first three or four pages, especially the location of Pakistan and importance of location of Pakistan, are very important pages. Same like this, the important pages of this chapter are the physical features of Pakistan and the climate of Pakistan. And as I told you that your today's mock and your form 4 in your final term will be totally from these specific important pages, like physical features of Pakistan and the climate of Pakistan. Okay, is it clear? If you have any question, then you can ask me. Now I'm going to open your chat, beta. So you can ask me any type of question if you have any question regarding your today's mock and regarding your annual paper. Inshallah, Hamza beta. Beta online beta. Hamza, we are going to prepare you on for online exams. That's why we are uploading mocks, and we are giving you different type of activities, and we are telling you the different ways to attempt your paper, because the papers are you have to attempt the papers online. Any question? Any other question, beta? Beta, Zimil, your question is very good, beta. But if you will read the instructions which are giving on the specific every form, and which form you will attempt, you have to read the specific instructions very carefully. You asked me that sometimes in the paper, the words, the answer will be correct, but sometimes because of full stop and capital letter and commas की वजह से आपका जो question है वो गलत हो जाता है. Better read the instructions very carefully. I told you in my previous classes as well, and I'm telling you again that if you will not follow the instructions, you will not attempt the any form in good manners, and you will not get a single mark. इज इट क्लियर? सो आपको एक भी नंबर नहीं मिलेगा इफ यू विल नॉट follow the instructions. When I have given you the one word questions in the previous form, most of the students will not most of the students did not follow the instructions. They didn't follow the instructions, and then they said that we have given the right answer, but the marks are zero, because you will not if you will not follow the instructions, the marks will be zero. So follow the instructions. No need to no need to follow any type of punctuations. Just give the answer in one word. And these instructions are for any class, for any subject. Is it clear? Where you will be attempt the one word answer, you have to give the answer in uppercase manner. Is it clear? You have to give the specific answer in one word, and no punctuation will be there. Is it clear? So if you will put any type of punctuation, your answer will be automatically wrong, because you have to give only the answer in the uppercase. It means in the capital letter. Is it clear, Zimil? Are you clear, beta? Okay, okay, beta. One more minute left, and if you have any type of question, then you ask me in the uh, class or in your chat box. Yes, yes, Mariam. What are you saying, beta? Mariam, turn on your mic. And Sania, if you have any question, then you can ask me. Okay, Maida, Ishal, Iman, Abdurrahman, beta, well done, all of you. Well done, and best of luck for today's